Good angulations in the rear, very well balanced, chest proportions, correct front.
Okay folks, we're back again with the Stockcoat Minor Puppy Bitch class at the 51st Australian National, hosted by Club Queensland. Our judge in this class is Herr Harold Holman of the Mellakonchen Kennels in Germany. So we've had all the individuals, for anyone just joining us. What we're going to have now, Harold is going to do a quick check of all the teeth, and then we'll begin the placements, and then we'll begin the class.
More correct in the rear in combination with a little bit less effort or strength in the rear angulation. Front reach is very good and overall a nice balance. Catalog number 50, strong female, stretch, where I would like to see some better body proportions. She's very tightly female, very well shaped head, nice running top and underline. I have some very good impressions from her in the stand, with a good withers, with quite a very good angulation.
So, just some stats for you on this class, folks. 20 catalogue entries.
When I say I would like to see better body proportions, she is a stretched female and overall slightly too deep. So I hope that in the first.
Sorry, just had a bit of a glitch there. So we've got catalogue entry at 20 and we've got in class 12. So as I just mentioned, the judge, Herr Harold, has just done the individuals. He's now just checking the teeth. And once that's done, we're going to get on to the actual judging of the class.
The proportions are here the reason for me to put her here on display. And quite similar to the following female on catalog number 49. Also, she is a very powerful female, very strong, very well shaped head with a lack of firmness, beginning in the ears and in the back, and also in the joints, and especially the elbows. Most part of the female must get more firm in her future, and also she needs to get better proportions in her further development. Also, I would like to see her less deep overall. I hope that in the further development she will grow into some better proportions. Shows also here a powerful movement with a very good reach. Thanks for showing. Very promising for all.
Where can I find that online?
Oh, so it's on Facebook page, GSD Global Media.
I'll get you the hang on.
So it's the way you can try to tell someone's watching and you can tell.
No, but and that. Well, I mean.
So, just starting for membership request.
Yep.
So I'll just.
Yep, that's fine. Do a save for later.
Oh yeah, they'll all be there. I'm sure it's
Fantastic. Oh, you got a sign. I was thinking which one.
Came prepared. Okay, we've just had the conclusion of the checking of all the teeth, so we're going to start with the placings now. Beg your pardon, they're going to do a lap and then they're going to put them into place. So folks, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're joining us from. It's the 51st Australian National here, and we've got the Stockcoat Minor Puppy Bitch class currently being judged by Herr Harold Oman. Now at the moment the dogs have not been put into placings, we're in numerical order. So, first is number 11, Cinderhoff Samara. Second is number 9, Cinderhoff Rain. Third is number 8, Gewalt Kelsey. For anyone who's joined us as well, just some quick stats on this class. 20 entered, 12 present. So in front we've got catalogue number 11, Cinderhoff Samara, followed by catalogue number 9, Cinderhoff Rain, followed by catalogue number 8, Gewalt Kelsey, and in fourth place, catalogue number 7, number 17,
Red!
Shep Rose Simply Red.
Red!
Angel!
You can always see here, can you?
And we're off. I have the Tiger playing quite fittingly here. Biggest class of the day so far.
If you're lucky, you'll ride on the faster one. Always staying. Long crowd.
Look how nice it is. Exactly.
The water will just be like.
Exactly. If you see it when she... Oh my god. Just stay down.
Okay, we've had a change of place there in the front. Number 9 has gone up, Cinderhoff Rain. In second place, catalogue number 11, Cinderhoff Samara. In third place, still number 8, Gewalt Kelsey, and still in fourth, number 17, Simply Rose Red.
Just give her one call now she's looking.
Rain!
Right, now, partying.
Oh, we've had a change up front again, folks. Catalogue number 8, Gawalt Kelsey, has moved up to 2nd place. So the current provisional first 3 are catalogue number 9, Cinderhalf Rain, number 8, Gawalt Kelsey, and in 3rd place we've got catalogue number 11, Cinderhalf Samara.
Go again.
Right!
Damn it!
Right! Yeah!
Oh, we've had a big jump in places there. Catalogue number 17, Tempro Simply Red, has jumped up to 2nd place from 4th. So the current top 3 are catalogue number 8, Gawalt Kelsey, in 1st place. In 2nd place, catalogue number 17, Tempro Simply Red. And in 3rd place, catalogue number 8, Gawalt Kelsey. One more, says Harold, and one more little bit. Now, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're joining us, folks. If you've just tuned in, this is the Stockcoat Minor Puppy Bitch class at the 51st Australian National here in Queensland. judged by Herr Harold Hohmann of Mellekonsten German Shepherds in Germany. And we're just coming to the conclusion, I believe, of the judging of this class. And in the following positions, in first place we've got catalogue number 9, Cinderhof Rain. Catalogue number 17 in second place, Simply Rose, I beg your pardon, Shep Rose Simply Red. And in third place we've got catalogue number 8, Gewalt Kelsey.
Could the long stock coat dogs get ready at the marshalling ring, please? Long stock coat male. Thank you.
Harold's called for one more lap, folks. Not over yet. Okay folks, how they are is how they're staying. So, in first place we have catalogue number 9, Cinderhof Rain. Second place, catalogue number 17, Shep Rose Simply Red. And in third place, catalogue number 8, Gewalt Kelsey.
No. So we have 12 dogs in the ring, of course, because it is a pretty nice quality, 12 times very promising. We have a group of the first.
Oh yeah.
So probably the microphone would.
Yeah, we're going to go walking for a minute, folks.
So, but I asked to stay a little here in the ring. So, on the first place, this female is the most correct female in the ring. She's very much feminine expression, has very correct confirmation. That means very good proportions, very good back and good front angulation. She's very straight in the eyes. And probably from time to time she could be a little better during moving, a little bit more training conditions, but we are in a very young class right now, and she made it, she deserves it. You can see it right now. Very good build up, congratulations. Very promising one. So then number 17. This is a dog, I call her, I think 2 places worse. But during the gaming she becomes better and better, and at least we also have competition, and she presented herself pretty good in the competition. The best thing at this dog is the pigmentation, the dark color, the very nice female, very good bones, the absolute over middle size, and the very good type. The angulation is good, the proportions are good, and especially her head with this dark color make her a very good expression. Even she is pretty funny. So she worked for it and made it very promising on the 2nd place. 8. She's a type of, pretty much in the type of the first one. She is eating very well. She has a very good head, high withers, little short curve. The other arm could be a little bit longer, even a little more activated, but she presented herself pretty good. But even in this young age, she is at the upper borderline of the size. Congratulations. Then?
Just one for me.
Give us some of my books. So, the next one, number 11. Number 11. My personal type, she's middle-sized, she has very good color. Even for later using her in breed, all the conditions are there. But for today, I must say it was also a competition. She was the placement because of the training conditions. But at least a very nice dog. Good luck for the future. Very promising. Then number 10. Very good and correct information for a black dog. Even in the first stand she was very good, but during the gaiting she lifts up the back a little bit. That makes her placement a very good black dog. Very promising. The next one, she's a good type at all, absolute good size, but she lifts up the back a little bit. That means she has a little morning curve and over the back. That's it. Very promising. Number 13, the stretch dog. The ears must be pronounced, stretch, and so she becomes a little bit flat during the bathing. But that really congratulations, very promising. Then the next one, good confirmation, which is pronounced stretch, but I wish for a little bit darker. It disturbs in the whole picture. Understandable dog, when she is skating, she becomes a little bit flat, but at least very nice female. Wish her, as I said, the eyes a little bit darker. The next, I should not move more. The other arm could be a little bit more angulated, and with her, the front must be straighter. She is standing, going to the right, and the person should be firmer. Makes her becoming a little bit flat during the picture. The next one, number 16, eyes could be a little bit darker, she becomes flat and back is lifted up a little bit, but at all very promising. Number 15, middle-sized dog. I wished her to be a little more socialized in this ring. She feels not so well during the whole time. And number 5, she should be a little more pigmented. Her ears must be tighter, and at the insides the color should be a little bit darker. The other arm must be more angulated in the front. She could be a little bit straighter. But in the whole picture, she is also a nice substitute of our breed, so she gets very promising. Congratulations.
There you have it, folks. That concludes the judging of the Stock Coat Minor Puppy Bitch class here at the 51st Australian National under Judge Harold Holman. We're going to be back very soon with some more content. But for the moment, just again for everybody's reference, how it finished up today. First place was number 9, Cinderhoff Rain. Second place was catalogue number 17, Shepro Simply Red. And in third place, Gewalt Kelsey. Well done to all owners and exhibitors.
Yes, yes. Kelsey. Yeah. You right, Joe? Yep. Rain?
Hopefully we'll be back very soon with some more content and some of the classes here from the 51st National. Till then, thanks for watching.